Introducing to you, My True Hero, the book. The only first aid guide you'll ever need. The My True Hero book covers everything you need to know to perform street-smart first aid in the simplest form. This book contains all the information included in 15 of our courses, worth over $2,000, jam-packed in this one-of-a-kind complete resource. We were very excited to introduce to you the very first online learning portal of its kind ever, the First Aid Network. The value encapsulated within the First Aid Network contains decades of experience and is rich with contents worth thousands of dollars. Furthermore, this is the only place today where you can get access to them anytime, anywhere. But wait. Even with all the first aid tools and skills in the world, the truth is that possessing the right knowledge and skills doesn't necessarily mean that the casualty will receive first aid. When faced with the stressful nature of a real-life emergency, all of a sudden you'll find yourself flooded with fears, anxiety and doubts. If you are unable to deal with these emotions, you will freeze and end up not helping at all. That is why it is imperative that every first aider attends the My True Hero seminar, a full-day program that will transform you into a real first aid hero right on the spot. A program similar to the My True Hero seminar can cost up to $3,000 per person, and up to $6,000 if you are going with a family member. But here's the good news. When you order your My True Hero book today at a promo discount of 50% off, you'll also receive a basic membership to the First Aid Network and 2 free tickets to the exclusive My True Hero seminar, a total value of over $13,000. Yours for only $25 net, including delivery and handling. Please note that a small administration fee will apply when you register for the My True Hero seminar. But hurry! We only have very limited first edition copies and bonuses available. Thank you. And we look forward to your journey as a true hero.